Hey Brobots! Today I'm going to show you how I hand painted my Barbatos Lupus Rex Frame. That's right, I did not use an airbrush on this. Hi, I'm Wright and I made this YouTube channel to share with you my experience as a professional modeler in Japan. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Here are the steps that I'll take you through in this series. Hey guys, today let's paint a Gunpla frame with some base paints and some detail work. Chapter 3. The blue Vascular system, inspired by the Kawaguchi Meijin. Next step, let's go with Warhead Metallic Blue from Ammo of Mig. These ones require a really good shake and you can hear the ball bearing release inside when it's ready. Instead of a wet palette for these ones, I'll be working here on the dry one. Because these are airbrush paints, for hand painting they sometimes need a little bit of the water to evaporate out. Whilst building this frame, I noticed that it has what looks like a vascular system, both built in and added over the top. What a cool opportunity to pick that detail out. To match the color scheme I planned, I went with a blue metallic. It won't be fully visible once the armor plates are on, but the Gunpla Meijin, Kawaguchi-san, suggested to me the additional details that we can see when peering through the gaps in the armor will add a great deal of interest and authenticity to our Gunpla. There are two ways to paint details like this. First, you could just cover it in one go and then wash back later to bring the details out. I've done that in a couple of places on the back, but for 90% I have gone with the other option of carefully painting just the pipes and leaving the undercoat showing in between to give better separation on the details. It's not a major difference, but I felt the stronger contrast between the blue metallic parts and the dark undercoat suits my vision closer for this project. Technique-wise, having used this paint on my Orc Flyer previously, I know that it can go on straight out of the bottle and gives excellent coverage in 1 to 2 coats. Too easy. Thanks for making it through with me guys. Please make sure you are subscribed and have liked the video. Second, please leave me a comment explaining how this video helped you. And third, please head on over to my Patreon website for the exclusive bonus content on Rex's golden claws and painting the Pistons as a focal point. We are the biggest fans of Support Local. Doing so empowers Hobbyco and Little Robot to provide us with amazing live events, a thriving community to make friends and share the hobby with, and a really cool in-store experience. Huge shout out to the Rocket Punch Brobot team. Ivan, MB Grant, Con, Jack, RJ, Simon, Robert, Kelso, Kevin, David, Derek, Alan, and a big welcome back to Nilos. Come and join our fun Facebook group. Friendly, helpful tips and advice. This video was supported by our patrons. Thanks guys!